here
这一
for
次
the top
我
layer,
真的
and
是
this
想
top layer can be adjusted to any level up to here and down there. We're going to show you that in a few minutes, okay? Alright, so let's show you the next level. Okay, so now we've showed you where the layer was here. Now we've dropped the straps down and we made another level, okay? So you can see that this can go even lower or it can go higher. It's up to you where you want it. Very versatile and very strong. These bands, one band holds an adult weight. So this is super strong. Okay, now we're going to show you the fixed bottom when the baby goes over. Okay, so now we've lowered it all the way so you have the full use of the crib. Okay, and we left the bands there so you can see that these can be taken off now, and you can just put them away somewhere and keep it for storage or whatever you want to do. Okay, so there you have it. Look at the joints on the wood. This is all custom made. These are very, very, very strong. 2x2s and 1x1s, and we have a customized top edging. See the workmanship that's done into this. And the last thing we're going to show you real quick, it's one of the most amazing things. Okay? Okay, we're going to continue with a few more things about our crib here that we have. Here's the bottom, you can see. We have double coated it, and it's heavy plywood, so it is very accessible and very strong for the baby. These are the straps that are hidden underneath that you need when you raise and lower it. We just tuck them inside there and drop them down. Okay, so the bottom comes out very easily. And the nice thing about this crib, the beautiful thing about it is that you can practically take it anywhere.
这一次我真的是想
It's very easy to take apart. You'll notice that there are no bolts anywhere outside to attach this, to put it together with. Okay, so now I'm going to show you something real simple, and this is how it comes apart. Look, so here we go. We just raise this up, pop it apart. Look at that. Okay, in seconds you can see the inside is interlocking, so each one locks into place in a matter of a couple minutes. You can have the crib detachable or put back together. That's simple, huh? Both sides do that, and it's hidden joint. Okay, this is the design and the work that we put into this product.